Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to a very first beginner's C programming tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install Codeblock, but before that let me give you a brief overview of C programming, and to conclude the presentation I'll give you how my teaching style is so you can have a heads up what to expect or whatnot. Okay, so let's start with a brief overview of C programming. Initially developed by Richie Dennis in 1969 through 1973. As you can see, it's a general purpose programming language. Many of the modern languages such as C++, Java, C#, and many other more derive many of the features from C programming. That's why when you know C programming, or when you become accustomed or more familiar with C programming, it'll be easy to learn these modern languages. Hence, it's very beneficial to learn the language. So, why do we need to install Codeblock? Well, we humans write our code in such a way that we could understand it. However, the computer reads binary data. So, we need a compiler that translates human written code into binary data. Essentially, Codeblock provides that platform for us to compile code as well as running it. So let's open up Google and I'll show you how to install Codeblock. Okay, go ahead, open up any browser and go on to google.com. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is type Codeblocks, and the very first link you see codeblocks.org. Go ahead, click that, and we're interested in downloads. Click that, and the very first link you see where it says download the binary release, go ahead, click that. And as you can see, there are many operating systems available for downloads. What I have is Windows 8, so I'm going to go ahead and select the first link, and it takes me down to this page here, and there are 4 downloads available. What you want to do is click the very second link you see where it says setup_user.exe, and click on either of these links, either first one or second one. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to click the very first link. It will direct me to a download page. It says download in a few seconds. Here we go. And since I already have Codeblocks downloaded, I'm not going to download it again. I'm just showing you the process, what I went through. What you want to do is save the file and then click next to all the questions it asks. It's pretty basic. Just follow the instruction and you should be fine. While you're downloading Codeblock, let me briefly give you the structure of my teaching style. Okay, so let's here. So the layout is pretty simple. Each lectures are about 50 minutes. I don't want the lectures to be too long and boring, as well as I have limitations to each of the uploads on YouTube. So for execution, I'm going to use Codeblock. Some of you might be using Eclipse. That's perfectly fine. And of course, to explain some of the concepts, I'll be using PowerPoint slides as well as block diagrams to illustrate some point that needs clarity. And of course, this is a beginner's course, so the teaching pace will be at a pace where it is understandable. With that said, I won't expect you to have any prior programming experience. I'll guide you step by step to ensure you grasp the concepts behind every lecture. Okay, so one last note I want to mention is that all my lectures are free, so every videos in my channel is completely free. You won't have to pay a single penny for it. By the end of all my tutorials, I guarantee you that you'll be able to at least establish a solid foundation for C programming. So I think I'm going to conclude my presentation today. Thank you very much for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.